Hey everyone, and welcome to the third episode of the Quick Wins Playbook series. In this video, we are going to go over how you can download the mobile app. That way you can connect with your customers or prospects on the go directly from your phone. So you don't have to be at a computer in order to communicate or check up on where your contacts are in the pipeline stage. So let's go ahead and show you how you can download the app. So when you're inside of your high-level account, you'll be directly located in the Launchpad section. So in this section, there's a few other quick things that you can do to help you set up your account, which I will go over in another video series that I'm currently creating for onboardings. But what you need to do is you need to go to the very top and just send yourself the link. So if you hit send link, it's going to automatically put in your phone number here. All you need to do is hit continue, and then it's going to send a link to your phone and your email. Now, additionally, if you did not get that link and you just want to quickly look up the app on your Play Store or Google App Store, go ahead and type in Lead Connector, and this is what's going to pop up. This is going to be the logo for it, and all you need to do is just install it and you'll have access to it on your phone. That's it for this video. If you guys would like to see more content like this or more tutorials and how-tos on GoHighLevel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any suggestions or need help with anything, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'd be happy to help answer any questions you have. If you like this video, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode.